All right, one thing we've not really talked an awful lot about on the YouTube channel are the part conversions that we do. And we've got this amazing yellow T6.1 in the workshop at the moment, and we're doing some quite unique little bits to the conversion. Usually we only share full conversions on new vans, but it's actually really worth talking about all the little things that we can do. And this customer has brought their van into us, and we've done what we call a part conversion on it. So we've got it to a stage where they can take it away and do, build their own cabinets, put their own seat in it. But we offer a whole range of different part conversions, and there's all these little bits of sort of camper van work that we can do. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of this T6.1 in my favorite color, yellow, and I'm going to show you what we've done in the back. Then we'll have a wee quick tour around the workshop, and I'll just show you some of the other things that we can kind of offer you here. So yeah, let's jump in. This is what we would call conversion ready. And this customer has brought their own T6.1 van into us, and we've done a few things. So we've fitted our Jerba elevating roof, which is a standalone package that you can get here at Jerba. If you just want a roof on your van, whether it be front elevation, rear elevation, or even a high top, we can do that, no problem. The customer has also added our insulated Jerba floor. We've got insulation behind the panels. We've got full carpet trimming done inside the van. And we've also got an electrics and heater package. So he's got a lithium battery system installed in the van. And I can also see the vent at the back there for his hot blown air heating. So the battery will be powering the heater, and that will be keeping the van nice and hot. Now we've got a roof bed in this one too. So this is actually everything you need just to take your van away and sleep in it. Pop the roof up, you've got a bed up the top, you've got power to charge your 12-volt accessories. I'm not sure if this has hookup or not, I've not had a look, but we can add sort of hookup for campsites too if you want to, sit on your laptop and charge, 230-volt accessories that way. But this also powers the heater, keeps the van nice and warm at night. So yeah, we could also add swivel seats onto the front, spin the seats around, and even a little table, so you've just got somewhere to sit and sort of look into the back of the van and do your work and those things. All those are available as little bespoke packages that we can do here. So if you have got your own van, you're more than welcome to come in and we'll build you a bespoke package to whatever sort of level of camper van that you would like. But what this allows the customer to do is take this away, and say they were a carpenter, they could take it away and they could build their own sort of cabinetry in the back there. If they wanted us to fit our fully type approved crash tested seat system, we could do that as a package. We do that as a package, so they could have a rib seat bed installed in the back, and that would be, built to the same exact standards that all of our brand new conversions are. And that's just going to guarantee the absolute safety of the seat. And we could put that in the location that leaves you the space to build your own cabinetry, put in all your own little bits and pieces that way. Or you could even do things in stages. So say you just wanted the full trimming done to make the van look nice and neat and habitable in the back. You could do that first. You could come back and you could get a heater and electrics fitted at a later date. All sorts of ways to do this. This simple little package can just absolutely transform the inside of your van. And even if you don't want a camper van, it just absolutely makes it look incredible, neat and tidy, and stops it looking and feeling like a commercial vehicle inside, makes it feel like more of a car or somewhere that you could live in, happy to be in. So we'll have a wee look at the roof next and see what that's all about. And now I'm going to leave my shoes at the door because it's wet outside. So this is our Jerba elevating roof, and it comes with a fully removable Ventile cotton canvas. So you can take the canvas off, put it back on, take it off to wash it, to clean it, to re-waterproof it, all those things. If you damage it, we can send you a new one, and it's very simple to just slide back on the tracking. And we designed our roofs for our own full campervan conversions, and we just wanted to have the absolute best product out there. We only offer these ourselves. You won't find them anywhere else, and that's because we wanted to create the absolute best product that we could, and we wanted to keep them exclusive to our vans or part conversions that we're doing, just so we could assure the quality of everyone going out the door. And it really just it enhances the quality of our full conversion packages, because you're getting our roof and it's going to be absolutely spot on. And we did a few key things, bits of innovation when we built this and designed this roof. And the way that we made it, it's very hard wearing. It's very strong. We've got much thicker gas struts. We've got much thicker rear hinges. It's very strong in crosswinds. It can carry a lot more weight. You can put kayaks on the roof. We've got an amazing system. This one has roof bars, but you could have a whole bunch of stuff up there. And of course, these are always color matched to the van. So even if you've got an amazing yellow van like this, we would color match it for you. The canvas is very thick. Ventile is used by NATO. It's an amazing material and it's great for this application. It's breathable, but it's waterproof and it's got great insulating properties. And it just looks really good too. And it doesn't have that crunchy, plasticky feel. It's just, if you feel Ventile, it feels amazing in your hands and you know that it's a high quality material. We've also, because we're in Scotland, got midge netting on the windows. Now, a lot of other canvases, you'll see sort of mosquito netting. It's a much bigger mesh that lets all sorts of bugs in. In Scotland, we've got midges, so we need to make sure we've got a very fine mesh. It keeps all those bugs out. So very high quality mesh, keep all the wee midges at bay. And we've got a window on the front, but we'll have a little look inside. I'll show you our slatted roof bed and kind of give you a wee tour. So our Jerba slatted roof beds that we manufacture are also on gas springs. So they pull down and they pop up out the way. Now this one doesn't have a mattress installed, but usually we've got a very nice, thick sort of 2-inch mattress which goes on top of this. We've obviously got the slats made out of beech, so they look really, really nice. And they're also very, very comfortable. And now we've had a lot of people who are into motorbike racing or mountain bike racing, all types of stuff where they need the full space in the back of their van, but they also would like to, you know, be able to live in it when they're away at competitions and doing all these sorts of things. So this kind of setup allows you to have, you know, 4 or 5 bikes in the back, all your kit, all the stuff you would need. But then you can also climb up top at night time and just lie in the slatted roof bed and get a comfortable night's sleep. You've got charging, you've got heating, you've got everything that you could need. You've got a little camping stove, you've got food, or if you're on the campsite, you can take a wee walk down into the shop and get yourself a bit of dinner that way. So actually, for those types of applications, this is an ideal conversion layout. And as it does in the summer in Scotland, it started raining, so I'm going to get this packed away and we'll take you inside and have a little look around the showroom. So those roof offerings were all on the T5, T6 and T6.1s, but we have a new Jerba roof that we've developed and manufactured for the T7 and the Ford Transit Custom. So if you do have the new T7 or the new Transit, you can bring it in and we'll happily do a part conversion on that. The same sort of idea as the T6.1. You can have a roof only, or you can have a seat only, you can have an electric system. We can do all of that. 2 different platforms. The new roof for the T7 is a wee bit different. It's got the same qualities, great in crosswinds, same great Ventile cotton roof, canvas, thicker gas springs, thicker hinges, all that is great. So it's a slightly different method for fitting and it's manufactured in a slightly different way. Both absolutely premium options, both best in class and both available. So yeah, don't hesitate if you've got one of the newer vans. This van's having quite a bit of work done on it at the moment because it's still undergoing its new conversion, but you'll see I'm sat on the super comfortable rib seat bed. Another potential partial conversion option here, something that we can do is fit, you know, the floor and also fit the rib seats. So with regards to seats, you'll see I'm sat here on this rib seat, which is one option, but we also have the new option, which is the MobiFrame seat. The MobiFrame comes with its own flooring system, its own rail system. So 2 slightly different offerings there, but we can do that on any of those vans that I talked about before, plus the new vans, T7s and Ford Customs. All our new conversions come with the MobiFrame seats fitted as standard. That's because we've gone through the type approval process with those seats because they're a more premium offering and they have just a few more features with the ability to be removable and slide and all that. So they've been crash tested. These have also been crash tested, just not in the T7s and Ford Customs. And that's because they didn't fit in the context of our conversion layouts on the new vans because they're a different shape and a different size. We've got excellent premium options for all those types of vans. I'm not sure if you can hear the rain here, but it's absolutely pouring down. I can barely hear myself talking. We've got loads of styling options too. So if you want to create the ultimate adventure off-grid, off-road crafter camper van like this one behind me with the bars at the front and it's got laser lights on the front, all those good things, all that's available too. We'll happily craft a bespoke package for you So yeah, hopefully this has been a fun one, a little bit of an insight into some of the other stuff that we do here regularly, but we haven't really talked all that much about on the YouTube site. Yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed that. If you did want a bit of a conversion done and you were, you know, stuck on what to do after that, say you wanted the package that we saw in the T61 outside, but you wanted to come chat to our carpenters and have them explain a few of the things that they do to make our carpentry so good in terms of building the cabinets and whatnot. You know, we're here, expert advice. It doesn't just stop at the part conversion that you've been done. You know, we're always here for you, and you'll always have us to lean on should you need advice with parts or how we fit, you know, cabinets in the van, all that kind of good stuff. We try to be as helpful as we can here. We try to be as authentic and honest as we can. But yeah, hopefully that's been a fun one, and we'll see you in the next one where we'll have another van tour. And a quick point, I don't think I mentioned this. You can bring your own van to us and we'll do any of our full conversions to it too. So you don't have to just do a part conversion. You can get a full brand new camper van conversion, type approved, fully bespoke, anytime you want. So thank you, and hopefully we'll see you soon.